Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the indicator light in your dishwasher. The reason why you would have to do this is because the light is burned out and no longer lights up. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit, as well as a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to start with opening up our dishwasher's door here. So now what we have to do is we have to get all the screws off around the door here. So we're going to be using a star bit VT20 in order to get those out. Now that we have all the screws out, what we can do is we can separate the two parts of the door now. So this part will just lift straight out. And then you can just set this side right over here, like so. So now we have to remove this black plastic cover, and on each side there are a couple of tabs that are holding it in place. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push in on this side where the tab is and lift it up and out. And same thing here, just take that out. So these right here are indicator lights. In order to change them out, what you need to do is it's on the light lens itself. So you're going to slide the light up and off of that lens. There we go. And once that's slid off of the lens, you can also unplug the wires here, and those just pop straight off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement indicator light. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now to put the lens back on, you've got this keyhole shaped slot right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to slide that onto the lens, and it should click into place like that, and then we can plug the wires back in. There we go. And now we'll put our plastic cover back into place, lining it up, and then once we get it lined up, we can push it back down. And once it's pushed back down, it should lock those tabs on the sides into place. There we go. And now we'll put the other half of the door back on. And what we're going to do is just make sure that all the screw holes line up, like so. There we go. And once we do that, we can screw everything back in. And now you can close up your washer door, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.